and welcome to episode number 3 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Next in the course, we're going to add a state machine, and it's going to be using the class state pattern to implement idle, running and jumping. And we also have the fall state here, so we can actually fall down as well. Then next, we have camera. You can see we have the dead zone there. And once you pass the dead zone, the camera is going to start to follow. And we're also adding in the parallax scrolling background. Alright, this was all for episode 3. In a day or two, we will continue in episode 4. See you there!